Hi, it's Robert from Toyota Tech Time. Today, I'm going to give you a brief introduction to Toyota Safety Sense. This is Toyota's suite of onboard safety electronics. These systems are included on all new Toyotas, and they're proven by insurance company statistics to reduce automobile accidents. In fact, they've been so effective, most insurance companies will give you a break on your insurance rates. Included in these systems are pre-collision with pedestrian and cyclist detection, which applies the brakes automatically. Full speed dynamic radar cruise control with lane centering. Lane departure alert with steering assist and road edge detection. Automatic high beams. Blind spot monitors. And rear cross traffic alert. Toyota received the highest rating from the National Highway Safety Board in the United States for its active safety systems. Toyota will only apply newer technologies once they're proven to be reliable and genuinely useful. Toyotas are the most reliable vehicles available, and their electronic systems are no different. For a detailed explanation of each of these systems, please watch the rest of my videos. Thanks for watching.